Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today is another episode with Cooking with Lily. What are we making today, kid?
Today we're making Asian style orange shrimp.
There we go.
Looks like a sun.
It looks amazing.
These are blemishes in small place. The overall picture bigger than us, but in this world we trust materials we love. And still what? I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. The flash from the bright lights and cars, these things make you feel good to have them. And these things are like women, there's always one somewhere. Better keep your eyes on the prize.
Say what you're doing, kid. Say what you're doing, kid.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is put orange, so it will taste like an orange onto the shrimp, and then let it cook.
There you go. Alright, aren't they looking good?
It's not my ego to help me move the needle. I'm on top now, bitch, I'm like the steeple. Church, please come pray for him, cause I ain't got shit here to say to him. Scientifically, only my DNA can make something sound so gifted. See, I put the words to the beat. It's just that simple. The soundtrack of my life is me. I let you hear the important shit. I had a rough path, my tears unsupported this. It's not a rough draft, one shot, one chance. But everybody want the finer things, and I just wanna be a superstar. See, I just wanna drop the top off, and I just wanna ball real hard. But it won't mean shit when I'm gone. But I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful,
Oh my God.
beautiful.
I just wanna be a superstar.
Yes, it does.
I just wanna drive a fancy
Yes,
car,
indeed.
yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Put them diamonds in my chain.
Don't this picture look amazing, folks?
I just wanna be a superstar.
Cooking with Lily, ladies and gentlemen.
I just wanna be a superstar.
Little sesame seeds for you guys. Boom, boom, boom. And this, ladies and gentlemen, oh wait, this is her show. Finish the job,
And
kid.
this, ladies and gentlemen, is the finished product. Goodbye, everyone, and stay safe.
You heard her, folks. And don't forget to subscribe also.